Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Amazulu 0, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by Chwaga Parks.
Oh, ndate koza yebuye mantwe. Oh, ndate koza yebuye mantwe. Oh, kante ke masandawa, kante ke mako. Mr. Hunt, thank you for keeping the position number 1 now. The Shinchi is changing. Thank you very much to warm up the position number 1. Now it's Orlando Pirates in top. Okay, no longer Santos. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Shinchi is in top.
Or you can
it's fine. Let me thank you all for your support. For your support. Baba Hanti, thank you. You are no longer number 1. You are no longer number 1. Come again, Baba Hanti. Please, can you tell Kata also and Flaming Pegut, Sundowns is no longer number 1.
Full support. I trust you, coach. I trust you, coach. I trust you, coach.
Coach,
stand behind the man.
Your position, you are no longer safe. Thank you, Baba.
Trust you, coach.
I can't trust this man, coach.
He must prove them wrong.
Baba Hanti, I can't trust him, coach. Please, Mapagania at home, viewers at home, I'm fans with to invite us to Siso Bananas, to share our ideas, to games, but first of all, ngicela ukubonga bonke abalandeli abenze Moses Mapita sold out. I'm really appreciate. Thank you very much, Orlando Pirates supporters. Thank you very much, few supporters of Usuton Mapeshankone, and then the last few supporters, Kaiser Chiefs. I saw the and one and only. I saw the supporter for Siwelele Celtics. Thank you very much to Rock the Mapita. Mapita is always our home. Happiness here to tell you. Mfowethu sorry Msholozi. Ngibonile Nqamala labo ufikile uzokweseka, but I was not sure Nqamala uthi bokade ukumaZulu or Pirates. But my former president, thank you very much to ukuvakashela igame njengana le uyobona into entertainer abantu, into ejabulisa abantu ifootball. Tibos ibhola ngilibone Moses Mapita mfowethu ngangifuna ukuthi without fear or favor ngiyengabona La Liga football. That was a La Liga football. Uyabona the way ibhola lidlalwe ngakhona. I think our student Arthur Zwane we coaching yakhe is coming. It's coming strong. Uyabona I think la i-10 ukuvuleleka khona igame first half ibe matches because I think esadini lamaZulu bokune experience a player uZungu beno 16. I think ngapha kuthina bokune uKhethleni Makhawula kulwa midfield no talent. On top of that bekunamanye futhi ama dangerous players afana uApolis noMfukeng. That's a difference. That's why ngithi le bhola ebedlalwa amaZulu nePirates today. As La Liga. Spanish. Top on sport.
Marbella.
On sport. Mfowethu asinga mshinga phandle upresident wama2K.
Really?
Mfowethu ubuyile ipresident wama2K and ngiyayithanda le vibe ukuthi abuye ngale ndlela. Is back. And into beyimane ingikhalisa ukuthi akufanele beno apolicy abe kwima reserve of which njengamanje sokuyi second round kumele siye all out ngesibhamu esinazo akumele kube nesikhali ozoshiya mawuyempini isikakhulu impini maseyiso. My message always in the Orlando Pirates players management, because for us as supporters we are always playing our role. take one game at a time, and more special for the Betway, game by game is like a cup final. Make sure, guys, good your spirit now and then you are together. Don't allow anyone from you azenzele into yakhe difference. Remember, we win as a team, we draw as a team, we lose as a team. Yeah, ukuze siyithathe le Betway kumele senze sure ukuthi i-game ne-game. Right now, for AmaZulu game is over. Our next game is I think it's Marumo.
Yes, Chair.
Current Escotine.
Yes, Chair.
Orlando Amstel Arena. Orlando Pirates supporters, football lovers, let's make sure nakuyona le game yethu neMarumo senza sold out.
Yeah.
Now and then let's play our role ukuthi sidlale player number 12 ukuthi Orlando senze sold out.
Yeah,
ukuze le league ibe very simple Betway ukuthi ize Escotine siyithathe running or not. As it is figure is 18 sibe sesinayo u38 point.
Yeah.
Tibos angeke ngithi na invitation esefikile mfowethu this coming weekend ngizobe ngisePharaburwa for branch launch yamabhakaniya. Uyazi bomnandi kwaParis siyazenzela sama branch. I invite all the Pompo branches come and welcome Pharaburwa branch so that le family eniyibona home and away national la idlala khona iParis is sold out because imsebenzi esiyenzayo ya undercarpet ukuthi silungiselela uplayer number 12 ukuthi anytime iParis mayidlala idlalele ku full house wonke lama province sinama branch mfowethu. Ngiyabonga nama branch aphume during the week ukuthi akweseka team eMoses Mabhida kumnathi namanje futhi nakhona iNetbank Cup angishaleje ukuthi njenge ishakume ethathe igame yayisa eDurban. Please Orlando Pirates eDurban Moses Mabhida hlezi mnandi nakuyona le Netbank Cup asiyenze futhi is sold out ukuze kubonakala ukuthi we are not a small team, we are not all teams, i team enkulu ngawo wonke ama action esiwenzayo for love of football. Ngayini
Chairman uzi Netbank yona
ithini Netbank?
It mangathatha loan from 2,000 to 50,000.
Loan from 1,000 to 50,000.
2,000
Oh,
to 50,000.
oh yini loan yamatata ya
Personal loan.
as a personal
It's a
loan.
personal loan.
Ngiyona.
Makuqeda kwakho replayer yePirates ematcha le mali yakho yeloan.
Yeah,
Bangavele bathi hayi no.
baye top up.
Hayi bangathi thatha ungababhadali.
Hawu, hayi ibalandeli. Hayi kushuthi into ezimnandi zoswethi zoshukela. Cha kushuthi nayo ke bafowethu. Nango angazi tipos ngingakhuluma into ebalandeli bebhola kanti udlala ngami mfowethu. It's true. iNetbank ithi boleka imali from 1,000 to 2,000 rand to 50,000. If team yakho iplayer lakho liyakora awusayibuyisi leyo mali.
Uyabona if
It's like a gift.
and uthathe iloan ye 3,000 or ye 30,000 bangavele bathi
isiqalile ke bafowethu iyashisa kuyona ke yaruna iNetbank bafowethu sesho njalo iya top up manje ithi nayi loan awusondele futhi ke ibenze kahle le loan kubuya ku January bafowethu zamani ukukhava ukuthi ingane zesikolo niziphesha pheshe zikwazi ukuya esikolweni ngeuniform right and then nencwadi zesikolo zibe top up every khumbula ulungisa ifuture yengane yesikolo njalo ungayithathi loan uyithathele utshwala mfowethu ithathele into eziserious mfowethu all the best of luck ku Netbank.